Hey guys, Sam Knockan, president of Texas Best Credit Repair. Today I'm here to describe to you guys what the Credit Coach Plan is all about. It's one of our most popular plans. People in the Credit Coach Plan are usually in and out in our company within 3 to 6, maybe 9 months at the longest. But results always happen day one with credit coaching help, and within 30 to 45 days, our clients get a decision on if items, unfair negative items, were deleted at the credit bureaus or from the creditors. So the Credit Coach Plan, it comes with the two great services that we offer. One of the services is what we call audit investigation letters. That's where we handwrite and we challenge those unfair negative items at the 3 credit bureaus. Also, the other service it comes with is credit coaching. Now, this is where the Credit Coach Plan really shines because you get extended time with our credit expert, our senior credit expert staff over the phone. You can log in your account, click a button, pick a date and time, and schedule that call at your convenience. It also includes the 24-hour a day, 7-day a week secure messaging feature where you can submit all your questions through the online portal that we have. So the Credit Coach Plan is a great plan for people that are looking to prepare to buy a home or in dire need of getting any product based on credit within the shortest amount of time. It goes after all the unfair negative items. And I've done statistics, and our company's done statistics where it's about 400 to 600% faster than some of those big box credit repair company plans that are out there. So once again, the best is yet to come for you guys and your credit, and let Texas Best Credit Repair help you guys with the Credit Coach Plan.